This video is going to go over the gINT Summary Converter app. It is a very simple app that takes a CSV output from gINT, the summary of soil test data, and converts it to an Excel file and reformats it into a nice table that can be used to put into your plan sheets. So this application can be launched just directly from within the workspace. You don't need to launch like OHDOT or anything like that. It is a standalone application. So if you go to your workspace under Standards Application, you should see there's a gINT Summary Converter executable that you could launch. This is fully integrated ProjectWise, but works perfectly fine outside of ProjectWise as well. If you are in a dGen file, you can find that in the OHDOT workflow under the apps, the geotech section, this OHDOT gINT Summary Converter app. Alright, so I already have it launched here. There's a help. This will take you to a wiki page where you can see this video, as well as a link to the help document. There's a little about. So as of recording this video, it's version 1.0.1.0. And so to use this application, you're just going to first select your CSV file. So we can hit this search button. Now if you have ProjectWise Explorer installed, you will get this option to log in. If you don't, it'll just go directly to the Windows file search dialog. So I'm just going to come here and show this using ProjectWise, but again, it's just selecting the location of the file. So I will go and choose a random file here. So I've already ran this before. You can see there's Excel files and the CSV files, but here I'm going to select this, do it again to show how it works. So I will click that CSV and hit OK, and it will populate that location that I selected, as well as it'll automatically populate the Save To location as the same location, and then give you the same file name with the different file extension, but you do have the option to come in here and modify the names. So I'll just put demo at the end for this demonstration. But you can also change that if you want to. You can hit this search button again, and it'll bring up, since I'm already logged into ProjectWise, it'll bring that up. But I can hit cancel and get just a regular Windows search dialog. You can choose a different location to save it. So pretty straightforward. If for some reason you logged into the wrong data source, it's going to show you what data source you logged into. You can always hit log out, and then you can log into a different data source if you need to. Alright, so that's really all you need to do. Just hit the convert button. And there, it's finished up. It says file converting successfully. So if there was any kind of problems, then it would tell you that something went wrong. So let's go take a look at what was created. So I'm just going to go here. I should see that demo Excel file. So let me go ahead and open that up. And so you can see here's kind of the output that comes out, and you can, if you have auto table, you could auto table that into your sheet. Just take a quick look at the CSV just so you guys can see that as well. You can kind of see the reforming that goes on. So in the CSV, this is the output from gINT. Yeah, it's just kind of each line, a little bit of repeated data for that long. So we're just kind of reconverting that, or reformatting that, to just be a little more easier to read. But that's how you use the application.